Get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today's wig sponsor is Luvwinhair. So thank you so much to Luvwinhair for sponsoring today's video. So this is not your regular wig, you guys. This is Luvwinhair adjustable density wig, meaning you can change the density on this wig. That is amazing. It's very creative and very smart. So first thing I want to get into is look at this lace, you guys. This wig came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So when you guys receive this wig, it does come with 4 different bundles, and we are going to get into that later on into the video, but just know that we're going to need these, so keep that in mind. So this is Luvwinhair 13x4 20-inch HD glueless wig. So this wig does come with an adjustable strap, and it does come with a grip band in the back of the wig for extra security. Want to get into this lace, you guys. I've never had a wig that looked this good right out of the box. So I even forgot to mention that this wig is straight out of the box. I did not pluck this wig. I did not bleach this wig, you guys. Like, it literally came just like this. Like, honestly, this lace was amazing to me. So like I said, this is an HD lace. When they say HD, this lace is definitely HD. This is obviously going to be a glueless install, so you guys do not have to worry about no sprays or no glues. Also, this wig does come pre-cut, and the cap on this wig is very breathable, so you don't have to worry about it feeling, you know, like it's too heavy on your head. So as you guys can see, I'm not using any glue. I'm literally just using my wax stick and my hot comb, trying to get this part situated. And I had to give a close-up of this lace, you guys. Like, look at this lace on this wig. That is amazing. So what I'm gonna do now is just fix my part a little bit, because it did look a little crooked. So I'm just gonna go on with my spray to get like a real sleek part.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're not.
So as you guys can see, installing this wig is very simple. I really didn't have to do too much. I really just used my hot comb, my wax stick, and a flat iron, because I am going to go back in with my flat iron to just make it a little more straight, because it was a little bumpy in some areas. But honestly, installing this wig was very simple and very easy, and you don't have to do too much. So this is the finished look of this wig. As you guys saw in the clip, this wig was very easy to install. We did not have to do too much, but we're not done just yet. We are going to change this wig up a little bit, so just stay tuned so you guys can see how that's done. So as I mentioned in the beginning clips of this video, this wig does come with 4 bundles. So what I'm going to do now is take these bundles and just flatten them out with my flat iron, because we are going to need these to install into this wig. So what is really special about this wig and why it is a game changer is that you can change the density on this wig, you guys. So like I said, that is amazing to me. I've never heard of a wig that you can change the density with. So that is very creative and very innovative. So let's get into installing these bundles. As you guys can see, each track that comes with this wig does have a number on them, and those are going to be very important when installing it into this wig. This wig does have some gold lining inside of the wig, and that is to help you detect where the track is going to be. And I just want to mention that those gold linings are very important, because I feel like without them you won't really be able to find where the track is supposed to be placed. So I'm going to take the clips of the tracks. As you guys can see, I'm trying to point to it so you guys can see as best as possible what I'm doing. With the clips at the ends of the bundles, I'm just going to insert them. You guys can see inside of the wig they do have openings to where you place the clip. So I really hope that makes sense. I really try to show you guys as best as possible. And also, depending on how much density you want your wig to be, you can apply 1 track, 2 tracks, 3 tracks, or 4 tracks in total. So in these following clips, you guys will see the different densities of this wig. So in this clip right here, this is with absolutely no bundles. I did not apply any bundles. This is just the wig by itself. And as you guys can see, it is still very full. This wig is 20 inches, but as you guys can see, it is pretty long. This hair is very silky and it's very flowy. Now this is the wig with one bundle. As you guys can see, it added a little bit more density. The wig does look a little fuller and it is more thick. I don't know if you guys can see the length as well. It does add a little bit of length on this wig, but as you guys can see, the hair is still very much flowy. You do not see the gold lining within the wig as well, which I think was very amazing. This is the wig with two bundles added. It is giving more fullness and the density, as you guys can see, is increasing. This is the wig with three bundles added, and as you guys can see, the wig is getting more full and it's still very much flowy and still very silky. And last but not least, this is the wig with all four bundles added into this wig, and it is very much still flowy, still silky, still shiny. And that was basically it for today's video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoy. And thank you so much to Luvwinhair for sponsoring today's video and for letting me try out this new creative wig design that you guys have created. I believe that this wig is so creative and it's honestly very different from any wig that I've ever received. Honestly, y'all, a 10 out of 10. So if you guys would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. I will have all the information as well as the links and maybe a coupon code. So do not forget to check my description box. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.